everyone, welcome back to Canoes River. We got Sergey's Sport in one can.
Yeah, one tin cans. I picked the cerulege because that was the only cerulege there. So out of the 4, we're gonna open 2. Okay, so it's gonna be a total of 6 packs, and then the other 2 we're gonna open 1 before the New Year's and 1 during the New Year, because tonight is New Year's Eve. So which 2 packs do you want to open?
That one.
Okay.
Let's see.
And then what else? What other pack do you want to open?
This one.
Okay. So 1 will be before the New Year's, and 1 will be right after the New Year's. So last pack of the year and first pack of the New Year.
Okay. Let's
So,
see. We got Go Kart,
So it's gonna say Happy New Year to everyone that is watching.
Energy,
Energy. Yep. Psychic.
and we got
We got Volconera,
Carnivore,
Togepi,
Gogupi,
Blitzel,
Gristle,
Yamas.
Yamat,
Can we get something good?
yeah,
Iron Bundle,
Arfondo,
Lycius Appeal, Azumarill,
Asmarel,
Rufflet,
Walklet,
Surfer, and 3, 2, 1, and Tapu Koko.
Topo Coco.
Yeah.
Okay, last pack.
Last pack for now, but we can open this one.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna slide the sleeve down. Can we end this year with a big bang, with a big hit?
Okay.
Oh, look, cerulege,
Sewage.
and the sticker for the cerulege.
Oh.
It comes with a Paradox Rift and
Paradox Rift?
Obsidian Flame.
Obsidian Flames.
Yep.
Okay, we got Go Kart,
Okay, card,
a Energy,
Energy,
and we got
Rotom.
Roto,
We got Virava,
Barava,
Klefki,
Quirky,
Coco,
and Coco, and
Passamain,
Vaseline,
Lively Stadium,
Library Stadium,
Chinotic,
Synoptic,
Vulpix.
Locust,
You got Mare Spirit.
Spirit.
Yeah. Your brother touched the packs.
Oh,
Yeah, your baby brother touched the packs, and you got Gastrodon.
this is all.
Nice hit. We don't have that one yet, so
Oh,
that is perfect.
this is
So thank you, baby Kaisen, for touching and blessing the packs.
okay.
Now we can sleeve this up and go ahead and open. Let's open Paradox.
Rip.
Yeah.
It like rips.
All right. You got
Paradox
1
Rip.
out of 2 packs
I
of the
want
Surging
this.
Sparks.
I did
And it's
hot
crazy
topper.
because when I went to the little card shop,
A hot topper.
they pulled it out of a booster box, and the booster box only had like maybe, say about 8 packs. So I only grabbed 4 out of the 8 packs that was left in that booster box from that card shop. And normally I would pass up on buying packs when it's that close to the end of a booster box. But
Nice.
glad I didn't, because now we got a Mare Spirit.
Yeah.
So that was a great little lucky.
Okay.
Pull.
Time to pair dust with. We got Go Kart,
All right. Go card.
Energy, Electric,
Electric. Would it be electrifying? Will we get something electrifying pull in that pack?
we got
You got Mantite,
that type,
Grabite,
Graphite,
Minum,
Minum,
or Minum, because minus, it sounds like minus, but with an N. Minum. Sentinel,
Sentinel,
Garbodor,
Vibrador,
Future Booster Energy Capsule. Melodic. And oh my god, Roaring Moon. What? Hold on. I gotta double check. I know this is one of the top cards for Paradox Rift. I know we got the Iron Crown. We have the Iron Crown from there, and we got Tinglu. But what? We got the Roaring Moon? Is this the number 1 card or the number 2? I can't remember. I'm gonna double check. Definitely gonna put the price down below. But here is another look of it.
Oh, that's
Roaring
cool.
Moon.
Look at the details. Cool.
Yeah, I definitely can't remember if it's the top card or the second to the top card.
The red sweeps.
Yeah.
Okay, time to sleep.
Remember how I said, would it be electrifying because the energy card you pulled was electric? I'm like, would this be electrifying pack? Will we get electrifying hit? And we got a very electrifying hit just now, huh? That was cool.
Yeah.
All right, let's
Time
go.
to Siberian Flames.
Obsidian Flames.
Let's see. Are we gonna hit again?
I hope so. That'd be crazy. Off of a 2-pack tin can. That'd be crazy.
And we got Gold card
I knew going for the Cerulege was gonna give us something good. Huh.
and Energy and
Energy,
Psychic. Okay, we got Bullpix
Nice. Whoopix.
and
Bounsweet.
Bumswee.
Frocky.
Okay.
Darumaka. Kangaskhan.
Kangaskhan.
Wug Trio.
What trio?
Salazzle.
Celeste.
Also, your brother touched every single thing that we just bought today, so maybe it's your baby brother's luck. 3, 2, 1, and you got Scovillian.
Okay.
That's cool. We are 3 out of 6 packs, so we're 50% hit rate today. And these last 2 Surging Sparks will be 1 before the New Year's,
New Year's.
1 before the 2024 ends, and 1 when the New Year's start. So stay tuned. We'll be right back for New Year's.
Yeah, New Year's. Happy New Year's. Garbage. We got Gold card. And we got Energy on the back.
Energy,
And we got Togepi
Togepi,
and
Blitzel,
Bristol. And then
Yamas,
Yomax,
Quaxley,
Presley. And we got
Tortonator,
Cultivator. We got
Counter
Kenneth
Game,
Game,
Altaria,
Bacteria, and then
Feebas,
Feebas,
Trapinch,
Gold.
and Dalgia.
Yeah.
Alright, we got a few seconds left for the New Year.
Sorry.
And that was his last pack of 2024. And it's poppin'. Happy New Year. Kaden. Happy New Year's, everyone. Now it's time for Kanoa to open the first pack of the year. Hayden, open your first pack of the year. Let's go back real quick.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go for New Year's. For New Year's.
First pack of the year.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go back to the house. Let's go. Happy New Year. Okay, my last pack.
Over here.
And my
Your first pack of the year.
yeah.
Can you hit something hot? Something good?
Yeah.
Let's see.
I eat carrots.
Start the new year with a big hit. Let's go.
Go card. Go card. And psychic energy.
Psychic.
It's a big psychic. Well, also, and we got Santa gas.
Yep.
That's white. And then we got
Zwellies.
and
Rotom.
water. Oh. And then Togepi. And then we got
Technical Machine.
Technical Machine.
Ninetales.
Ninetales. And then
Graffarai.
Gravafaras. And we got
Cryogonal. Drayton. And Gastrodon.
Gastrodon. That's it.
Yep. That was your first pack of 2025.
Okay.
Say Happy New Year's, everyone.
Happy New Year, everyone.
See you
Goodbye.
guys on the next episode.
Yeah. Bye. See you next episode and subscribe. Bye.